Guys, today this is another episode of lilmanrocks4 beatbox battles. Yes, this is another episode. Last time we had a crazy battle between Dogman and Dog from Cat Dog. Dogman did amazing with his beatbox roasting Dogman that it's weird that there's a half cat, half dog. Oh yeah, but Dog, he did some weird roasting saying that Dogman was dumb and yeah, whatever. Either way, you guys voted that Dogman will be moving on to the next round. Yeah, well, you know I was gonna win this, and what's the one bet on next? I wonder if it's going to be Flippy. Well, I can't pair you up with another character from the same universe, but yeah, I wonder who you're going to be facing against. Okay, next. Either way, today we have two characters that both are like running away from like a cat. In this corner, this is a yellow bird. He sits in his case and he also has like a famous catchphrase for the evil cat. Oh my god. No. Today we have TWeedy bird. Yeah, I'm TWeedy. Yeah, I'm TWeedy. Yeah, I'm TWeedy bird. Yeah, everybody, TWeedy bird. I only do this stupid. Yeah, I'm running one bean today. Okay, and in this corner this is a rat, but the good kind of rat, not like that rat from Cat Dog, but but a rat that is pretty smart and runs away from this cat named Tom. Today we have Jerry from Tom and Jerry. Oh yeah, hi. Oh yeah, hi. Oh yeah, it's nice to see you guys here. Yeah, you kind of sound like Mickey Mouse. I do not. Yes, you sound like a lower pitch Mickey Mouse. I do not. You kind of do. Oh my, I do not. Oh, come on, you know what I mean? I've been sleeping in my sleep. And you the really stupid looking ring in either way. You're not even going to afford it. Anyway, let's talk about how you want to Tom's YouTube the woofer is wanting to see you this Nick. Oh, really? You really want to talk like that? Oh, really? Well, then first of all, you're not even that much. Second of all, oh my god, second of all, you're not even that smart. You're not even that smart. The only reason why the cat always doesn't get you is because he messes up on his own. Either way, you're not even that tasty. What do you want? Well, TWeedy bird, if you want to get him back, now's your chance. In 3, 2, 1, go.
With the birdie trapped high in a tree, I wonder if birdie will ever catch me. I'm hardly a mouthful, we can't pee. What birdie would want with pull it to me? I really mean it, what birdie cat would want with me? Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-die, all I can see are rainbows in the sky. Oh, fiddle-dee-die. I'm a tweet with a bird in a gilded cage. Tweedy's my name, but I don't know my age. I don't have to worry, and that is that. I'm safe in here from that old putty cat. I'm walking over.
Doing the You want to come as that stupid bunny cat. You're such a horrible friend. I know my cartoon's old, but you're like 150 years old. Jerry, you made your friends head get chopped off. Just because you wanted a tasty snack, even Tommy's more kinder than you. You're not even that good anymore. Your cartoons aren't even that good. My nails are fun. You're just a smelly. You're just a smelly. Red. Your cartoons are just horrible. You are just a horrible friend. You will lose this people, but all 'cause you know I'm better. Oh really? I wasn't really that good at beatboxing either way. I could do this to get better. You're really punchable. Either way, you were just a dumb little person either way. Your song isn't even making sense because, you know, when you say pooty kid, it kind of sounds like, but no! My God, Jerry, please don't be the next Elmo. Listen, really, what's wrong with Elmo? He tries to curse in every single episode and I don't know why. I was just gonna say poopy. Oh. Oh. Oh, really? You didn't even... Really? Anyway, you don't even know how to roast me because there is nothing to roast me with. No, you just keep your mouth, you stupid Jerry. Oh, really? You don't want to talk to me like that, you stupid... But no, Jerry, please no. I was gonna say poopy head. Oh, poopy head. I thought you were gonna say... Listen here, you Tweedy bird. I am more popular than you. It sounds like that you're always just saying a curse word. Here's a way. At least I beat Tom. There are so many times where I've lost against the son of a you will lose this battle. The only reason why you can defeat Silver is because of that No, listen here, you stupid Tweedy bird. Your voice is so high-pitched that I can't even understand a single word you're saying. I always defeat Tom. Your show isn't even that funny, and I will defeat you. You're not even that good. I am more stronger than you. Like it's showing right here. I'm able to defeat a cat, but you can't even defeat a cat. I will easily defeat you. Well, guys, that will have to be the end of today's episode. Make sure to like and subscribe and vote on the community tab on which characters you guys think won the battle. I'm lilmanrocks4, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.